the FibCom and LTE option to the Lenovo, because you can't just add in the option afterwards. But it is cool. It's nice to have. Backlit keyboard, just like previous version. Yeah, same stuff. All the lights are green on the old one. Lights are white on the new one. But yeah, that's about it. Not too different. Well, what do I think about these two? Well, here's the 5th gen Carbon X1, and here's the 6th gen. Very bright. I got the one with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. I think it comes with Atmos anyways. But the screen brightness is just amazing. Oh my goodness. I'll open Chrome in both of these. Oh wait, I don't have Chrome, so I'll have to open it with Edge or something. Look at the difference. Let me see if I can get like a white screen. Yeah, I mean the tone on this is like a soft blue, warm, well, not so much warm color, like a, then the camera on the phone is not too promising. But anyways, this is just bright. 500 nits on the screen, 300 on this one. Both same weight and height, width, dimension. We kind of darkened out the ThinkPad logo compared to the previous versions. And you do get an 8th gen on the new one. Core i series. Quad core. Previous one was the dual core. But overall I do like it, and this one does have LTE, so I have Verizon installed on this one, and it is connected. Has some good amount of I/O here. 2 USB Type-C and Thunderbolt ports, along with their proprietary Ethernet connector, dongle, USB 3.0 port, HDMI, fully sized HDMI, and then one USB on the other side. I just have it plugged into another Lenovo mouse. And a headphone jack. I do like how the vent's going out the side. Not all exhausted above the screen. But yeah, it is pretty.